This video I will explain the difference between HDD and SSD and which one you should choose. When you are planning to buy a computer or laptop, you must choose between two type of storage. First one is HDD and another one is SSD. Why computer needs storage? The computer needs storage to save files, programs, photos, videos and operating system. There are two main types of storage. First one is HDD, which is nothing but hard disk drive. Second one is SSD, which is nothing but solid state drive. What is HDD? HDD is nothing but hard disk drive, and it is older type of storage that uses a spinning disk and a moving needle to read the data and write the data like a record player. It has more storage space and it is a lower price. It is slower because it uses moving parts. It can break more easily if you drop or shaken. What is SSD? SSD is nothing but a solid state drive and it is newer type of storage and it does not have moving parts. It stores the data using flash memory like pen drive. It is much faster than HDD. It makes less noise and uses less power. It is more durable and starts up quickly. Now we will see the main differences between HDD and SSD. In case of speed, HDD is slower, SSD is faster. In case of noise, HDD makes sound because it has a spinning disk, SSD is silent. In case of durability, HDD can break easily because it has moving parts. SSD is more durable because it does not have moving parts. In case of cost, HDD is cheaper, SSD is more expensive. In case of storage size, HDD is larger and more GB for less money. SSD usually smaller at the same price. In case of power usage, HDD use more power, SSD use less power. In case of boot time, HDD is slower and SSD is very fast. Which one you have to choose? You choose HDD if you want more storage space for less money. You are storing big files like movies or backups, and you are not worried about the speed. You choose SSD if you want your computer start fast. You use the computer daily for work, gaming, or study, and you need better performance and speed. What is the best option today? Many new laptops and desktops nowadays comes with SSD because SSD gives faster and smoother performance. Some people use both SSD for system and apps, HDD for storage.